As a potential tenant, can you customize your new shop's interior to match your brand? Yes, you can. The landlord will require your brand identity, shop layout, and floor plans. The landlord will provide a new tenant with a TI, also known as tenant installation, to assist with shop layout, colors, fixtures, and furnishings. A TI is typically 1 month's rent per lease year. Any costs above the TI will be for the new tenant's pocket. Design your shop layout to tell your brand story. Create an inviting and unforgettable atmosphere. Keep your brand elements consistent throughout the shop. Contact Commercial Property Finder to find the perfect shop for your brand. We are here to help you grow your business and create a remarkable brand experience.